ॐ प्रियानो अस्तु विश्पतिर्होता मन्द्रो वरेण्यः प्रियाः स्वग्नयो वयम् प्रियाः स्वग्नयो वयम्. Namaste to all. This is a very, very beautiful Samveda mantra. This mantra also comes in Rig Veda first mandal. The mantra is giving a guidance to us. Paramatma himself he says that you must make me your priya vastu. See, today when somebody asks you, write down in a paper which are all priya to you, which are all the vastu, chetan vastu and jad vastu, which are all the vastu which is priya to you. You take a paper and honestly write down. Like Adi Shankaracharya ji used to say that, Balaha tavat krida saktaha. In the younger age, when he is a balak, krida saktaha. He has asakta on krida, on toys and playing, etc. Tarunaha tavat taruni saktaha. When he becomes teenager, when he becomes like 18 years, 20 years, 25 years, taruni hi sakta hai. He gets attracted towards opposite sex, and similarly she gets attracted towards male. Tarunah tavat taruni sakta hai. Vriddha tavat chinta sakta hai. When we become old, 40 years, 45 years, 50 years, 60 years, 55 years, chinta sakta hai. So many thinking, so many chintaएं, so many परेशानियां. He is attracted and attached towards his chinta only, his thinking only. Parame Brahmani ko api na sakta hai. There is nobody who has a real asakt and attachment towards Paramatma. Paramatma is not priya to anybody. So, when you do this exercise, take a paper and write down which is the most priya vastu to you, which are all the vastu which are priya to you. 100% I can guarantee that Paramatma will not be in the list at all. Even if he is there in the list, when you write honestly, he must be somewhere in the last. Our priya vastu will be, for a married person it will be his wife, for a wife it will be her husband, or the children, daughter or son, parents, grandparents, or friends, office colleagues, college friends, etc. For a college going boy, he will write his boyfriend, his best boyfriend name or girlfriend name, whatever it is. These are all Chetan Vastu. Similarly, if you write the Jad Vastu, the most Priya Jad Vastu will be our car, our mobile phone, our camera, our house, our property, our kheti, the farming land. Everything will be Priya Vastu for us. Our gold in the bank locker or the stock that is invested. All these things will be most Priya to him, because even if he is not writing it, he spends most of his time, or she spends most of her time in her beauty. These are all priya vastu to them. Their body is the priya vastu to them. Paramatma is never priya vastu to any one of us. On the other hand, if you go and ask Maharishi Dayananda Saraswati, if you go and ask Acharya Ram Swarup Ji Yogacharya Mayacharya, if you go and ask Swami Satyapati Ji, these Mahapurush will say their sabse priya vastu is Paramatma only. परमात्मा के सिवा उनके लिस्ट में कोई भी नहीं होता. They will have only Paramatma as priya vastu. There won't be any other jad vastu, there won't be any other chetan vastu. Their sabse priya, their only priya vastu is Paramatma. For us, we don't have Paramatma in the list at all. For them, only it is Paramatma. See the difference? So if we really want to progress in spiritual path, Paramatma gives a very good guidance in this mantra. He is giving a very good idea and inspiration in this mantra. Make Paramatma as your priya vastu. So you write down a list today, and after 1 year of sadhana and tapasya, after going through the Vedic path, after 1 year write down again. See in the list whether Paramatma's name is appearing or not. But you must do it honestly. You must not do it for, like I have written Paramatma as number one. But if you have written Paramatma as number one, are you doing karma in your life like that? Are you doing daily upasana? Are you spending more time to do swadhyaya? Are you doing more time to do seva to acharya? Are you listening yajna? Are you doing yajna? Are you doing upasana? Is really Paramatma your priya vastu? No, actually. We can write his name, but no. The karma is not showing like that. But when you go to Maya Acharya, when you go to Maharishi Dayananda Saraswati, their 24/7 thinking is Paramatma only. So that shows that Paramatma is their most priya vastu. So here this mantra says, Priyo no astu, Priyo no astu, हे Paramatma, आप हमें प्रिय हो जाएं, आप हमारे प्रिय वस्तु हो जाएं. How do we make Paramatma priya vastu? By understanding Paramatma, by understanding what are all Paramatma is doing for us. See, if you write, like example, a person is writing his wife name. My wife is my most priya in this world. Why? Because she does two things. She does, number one, she gives sukh to the husband, and number two, she removes the dukh of the husband. Similarly, a wife writes the husband name because he gives sukh to the wife, manasik sukh, sharirik sukh, vachanik sukh, he gives to the wife, and similarly he removes the dukkha from the wife. So whichever vastu which gives us sukh and which removes our dukh, it will become priya to us. And this list will continuously change. A newly married person, like a marriage has happened 10 days before, if you ask him to write what is your priya vastu in this world, his list will have only his wife name most of the time. And the same person, if you ask him to write the list after 2 years of time, after 5 years, after 10 years, his wife might not be the number one. The list will continuously change, right? Why? Because sukh dukh, jo sukh dukh, the same wife who was giving sukh after marriage, 5 days after marriage, 10 days after marriage, after 2 years, the same wife is giving dukh for him. So she does not become priya. She was priya to him, now she is not so much priya to him. So this we must understand. This is a philosophy of how somebody becomes priya to us. So Paramatma says, हे परमात्मा, आप हमें प्रिय हो जाए, हमारे सबसे प्रिय हो जाए. क्यों हो जाए? विश्पतिर, होता, मंद्रो, वरेण्यः. These are all Visheshan of Paramatma. When we understand the Visheshan, then we can understand really why Paramatma must be in the list. Vishpati, Paramatma is our Mata, Paramatma is our Pita, Palan Poshan karne wala. Vishwapati hi, whatever we get in our life, even the eyes with which we are seeing, is the gift of Paramatma to us, but we never think about it. Oh, विश्व को पालन पोषण करने वाला, विश्व को बनाने वाला. So just think every day for 5 minutes at least before starting your everyday upasana that what Paramatma has done to you. Every day we complain about, hey, Paramatma, मैंने क्या किया? Why you have given me so much dukh? Why you have created me like this? Everybody else is happy, I am not happy. Before going to this level, understand what He has given to us. He has given the human body to us. Rest all the dukh keep aside, but given the human body to us, thereby we can think about Paramatma. Even if a person is handicapped, he or she can think about Paramatma. Animals cannot think. Even the animal is swasth animal, like an elephant is there. Even the best built animal cannot think about Paramatma. Even the worst built human being can think about Paramatma. The mind is made like that by Paramatma. So He is Vishwapati. He has given everything to us. He has given the body to us. He is giving food. He is giving vegetables. He is giving crops. He is giving fruits. He is giving everything, sunlight, moonlight, air, water, everything, whatnot. Right? Vishpatir. Priyo no astu Vishpatir. He is giving gift to us. Somebody suddenly, you have a birthday, suddenly your father comes and gives you a keychain. This is your new car keychain. Go and drive the car is outside. Brand new car He has given to you as a gift. How much happy you will be. But this gift we are never appreciating Paramatma. This gift He has given to us, right? We are never appreciating Him. And secondly, second Visheshan is given us Hota. Dene yogya vastu ko dene wala Paramatma. He is Hota hai. होता का अर्थ है देने वाला है, जो कुछ भी देने योग्य पदार्थ, वॉट एवर इज नीडेड फॉर अस इज गिवन इट. फर्स्ट इज पालन पोषण करने वाला, सब कुछ देने वाला, एंड अगेन ही गिव्स वॉट एवर इज योग्य टू अस. Whatever is yogya to us means including our karma phal. He does not give the result of the deed of somebody else to me. Since I am getting sukh today, that sukh I am getting, like I'm getting a good life today based on my own karma, right? But he does not decide that, okay, my karma, let him give to somebody else. He does not do that. He is dene yogya padarth ko dega. Whatever has to be given to that person, he gives that. That is why he is nyayakari, hota. First we understand Paramatma, then Paramatma can appear in our prayer list. Then also Mandro. Mandro means Ananddayak, Anand dene wala. When somebody does upasana of that Paramatma, you try upasana of Paramatma and understand the Anand you will experience. Really, Paramatma gives Anand, not only Bhautik Anand, he has given Bhautik Anand also. Go to a waterfalls and see how beautiful it will be. Like you are working in Bangalore or Chennai, take a car and go to Kollimalai, Kolli Hills, or go to any hill station in Karnataka. Bangalore is so polluted, but you drive 3 hours, 4 hours and go in interior Karnataka and see a waterfalls there. You will be pleasant, you will be like feeling bliss, right? ये सारे देने वाला परमात्मा है. Similarly, when you sit on upasana, when you really understand how to do dhyana of that Paramatma, when you really understand the upasana of Paramatma, oh mandra, Paramatma Ananddayak, Anand dene wala. See, one who gives sukh to us and one who removes dukh from us, it will become, that vastu will become priya to us. Similar like wife and husband example. So Paramatma Anand deta hai. But the problem today is we don't understand that Paramatma gives that. And Varenyah. Varenyah, that Shabda also appears in Gayatri Mantra. Diyo yo Tatsavitur Varenyam Varenyah. This mantra also has the word Varenyah. Varenyah means, see, in the common language also, in Hindi, in Tamil, in Hindi we use word. मैंने अपनी लड़की के लिए एक वर ढूंढा हूँ, इसे राइट. वरेण्य वर ढूंढा हूँ, सेम वर्ड सेम मीनिंग. वर मतलब श्रेष्ठ लड़का, वर मतलब बेस्ट. आई हैव चोजन अ बेस्ट ग्रूम फॉर द ब्राइड. द ग्रूम इज बेस्ट, दैट्स व्हाई इट्स कॉल्ड एज वर. वरेण्य, वर आ गया, वर ढूंढा हुआ, वर मतलब श्रेष्ठ है. सिमिलरली परमात्मा इज वरेण्य है, ही सबसे श्रेष्ठ. परमात्मा में कोई कमी नहीं है, ही पूर्ण है. परमात्मा कभी अन्याय नहीं करता, कभी झूठ नहीं बोलता, उनके पास सारे गुण परिपूर्ण है, सबसे श्रेष्ठ है. इसलिए ही इज वर्दी ऑफ वर्शिप. वरेण्य है, अडोरेबल, वर्शिपेबल. वाई? बिकॉज ही इज श्रेष्ठ, ही इज वरेण्य. हमारे सामने वी हैव दिस वस्तु हु इज एवर एग्जिस्टिंग, हु गिव्स अस ऑल द थिंग्स विच इज needed for us, and also all the things which is yogya for us, and also he is giving us anand, and also he is sabse shrestha. Why not he will become pyara to us? Why not he will become priya to us? The only difference between Maharishi Dayanand Saraswati's understanding and our understanding is difference on gyan. Maharishi Dayanand Saraswati or my acharya understands this, that सब कुछ परमात्मा ने किया, इंसान कुछ भी नहीं कर सकता. जीवात्मा के पास, द जीवात्मा डज नॉट हैव एनीथिंग, एनी पावर टू डू इट. एक्चुअली एक आचार्य ने बताया, वेरी गुड पॉइंट. ही सेड सारे संसार के जीवात्मा, सब सारे संसार के जीवात्मा मिलकर भी, ऑल द जीवात्मा इन दिस वर्ल्ड कैन नॉट इवन मूव अ सीड फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस. जीवात्मा के पास उतना भी शक्ति नहीं है. सो वी आर बलहीन प्राणी, एंड हमको बल देने वाला परमात्मा है. सो व्हेन द ऋषि मुनीस हैज दिस अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट सब कुछ करने वाला परमात्मा है, क्रिएटर परमात्मा है, सो दे गेट अट्रैक्टेड टुवर्ड्स दैट परमात्मा बेस्ड ऑन द ज्ञान अंडरस्टैंडिंग. सो सिमिलरली दिस मंत्र इज गिविंग दैट ज्ञान टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट व्हाट परमात्मा इज डूइंग टू अस, एंड देयरबाय वी आर प्रेइंग टू परमात्मा, हे परमात्मा, आई हैव स्टार्टेड अंडरस्टैंडिंग यू. आप मेरे प्रियो नो अस्तु, आप हमारे प्रिय हो जाएं, मैं आपको समझ रहा हूँ. So every day before starting your upasana, understand Paramatma like this. Then slowly, what will happen? Paramatma will start appearing in your Priya Vastu list. And then we must work hard to bring Paramatma as number one, because all the other Vastu will give you dukh. The most closest wife also will give you dukh. The most closest son also, daughter also, car also, bike also, everything will give you dukh. Paramatma will never give you dukh, क्योंकि परमात्मा के पास दुख है ही नहीं है. This understanding we must bring. And also the mantra has one more, see, another विशेषण. Not only that, हे परमात्मा आप हमारे प्रिय हो जाए, हम आपके प्रिय हो जाए. How? The mantra says, प्रियो नो अस्तु विश्पतिर होता मंद्रो वरेण्यः प्रियाः स्वग्नयो वयम. प्रियाः स्वग्नयो वयम, हम आपके प्रिय हो जाए, हम वयम प्रियः आपके प्रिय हो जाए. कैसा? स्वग्नयो, सुअग्नयः, उत्तम ज्ञान से. when you have uttam gyan, when you do uttam karma, when you do uttam upasana, when you do uttam vichar, when you have utsaha, when you have shraddha, when you have virya, when you have uttam smriti, these are all swagnaya ka meaning. So Paramatma says, when you have all these things, you will also become priya to me. Not only that, I will become priya to you because you have got understanding, but because of that understanding, you will start doing uttam karma. You will start doing sreshtatamaya karmana. You will start doing yajna. You will start going to acharya and understand acharya. You will not doubt acharya. You will do tapasya. You will also worship, serve him. You will worship Paramatma, uttam, and you will become a paropakari vyakti. You will start helping the world. You will not feel jealous of others. Somebody is richer than you, somebody is wiser than you, you will not feel jealous. You will try to learn from him. If somebody is richer than you, you will not feel jealous. You will feel gratitude. Okay, Paramatma is given to him. So, Swagnayah, by all these good qualities inside us, Paramatma will start loving us. And this love becomes, mutual love. Jivatma loving Paramatma and Paramatma loving Jivatma based on the qualities. And this love, when it starts, it becomes an infinite loop. So inside this loop, nobody else will exist. That's why the list of my Acharya or Maharishi or Swami Satyapati Ji or any other Rishi Muni whom you know, वहाँ पर परमात्मा के अलावा कोई भी नहीं रहेंगे. They will give प्यार to everybody in this world, but their सबसे प्यारा परमात्मा है. परमात्मा के अलावा they don't want anything else. They don't know anything else because they are in this infinite loop of love. They have extreme understanding of Paramatma and they have surrendered themselves to Paramatma. They have extreme Shraddha and they do everyday Upasana, continuous Upasana. Like my Acharya used to say, Yogi, even nahate vakt, even bathroom jate vakt, even brush karte vakt, Yogi Upasana mein rehte hain. A yogi will be in Upasana, Shayya, there is also a sutra in Yoga Darshan. Shayyasanastu, when the yogi is sleeping, when the yogi is lying down, when the yogi is walking, when the yogi is talking to you, but he is in Upasana of Paramatma because of his pyar. So this pyar is not like the Bhautik pyar. After 1 week of marriage, wife is the Priya. After 10 years of marriage, wife, I don't like my wife. ऐसा प्यार नहीं है ये प्यार. This pyar is based on understanding. This pyar is based on the qualities. This pyar is not physical attraction. So that's how this is the mantra for us to get attracted towards Paramatma and for us to attract Paramatma towards us. Priyano astu vishpatir hota mandro varenyah priyah swagnayo vayam. Thank you so much. Namaste. Om.